Year-end tasks. The Year-end Tasks tab of Prep for Taxes contains a pre-built checklist of tasks to complete which can be customised to suit the firm's and or account's specific needs. Carol has informed Natasha that she has completed the books, and Carol also updated the year-end task Bookkeeping Complete as done, so Natasha knows this task has been completed. So under year-end tasks, from Carol's login, she has actually changed her status to done. So therefore, Natasha knows that the bookkeeping is complete. And also note that the TPAR has also been prepared. Now, before we commence, Natasha just checks that she's in the correct tax year, that the accounting method is correct, and if she does change the accounting method from this option, it will not change the accounting method in QuickBooks Online. So it's only in the Prep for Taxes Centre that the accounting method will change. You may also note that there is a request to approve a journal entry. And when we review the changes, so Natasha will review the changes, make sure that everything is correct. As she can see, she scrolls down. She can edit and she can view the audit log if she needs to. Let's go back to Prep for Taxes. And Natasha's quite happy that everything is all above board and she's going to accept all these changes. Now, Natasha takes a look at all the year-end tasks that is required to be done. And what she notes is that she needs to add in a new year-end task called TPAR Lodgement Review. We've got the TPAR preparation, but we actually need the TPAR Lodgement Review for Natasha. So all she needs to do is choose Add, and we'll complete the item name. So as you can see, for the item name, we've called it TPAR Lodgement Review. In the details for this particular task, we've added in confirm that TPAR has been successfully lodged. So we'll just choose Save. And then when Natasha gets to the TPAR Lodgement Review, she just opens that up. And it actually lets her know that this is the details that needs to be done and completed for this particular task. The other thing that Natasha notices is that in her compliance workflow, what she would normally do is she would check the TPAR Lodgement Review after the lodge return. So all she needs to do is just choose this particular task and move it to after the lodge return. And there you have it. So now she has all her year-end tasks sitting exactly where she wants them to be. Please note that you can edit and change names. So if we look at the Reconcile account, open that up, we can edit, we can change the name, and we'll change that to Reconcile Fixed Asset Register. As you can see, we've changed that, and we'll click Save as this was incorrectly added, as we know that Carol has done all the reconciliation of all the bank accounts. So we've changed that. And as we've done before with the TPAR lodgement, you can drag and drop. So if we wanted to review the return before exporting it to lodge it, we can. But that they are in the correct area. We can send the client to sign the export to lodge it, as you can see, but let's put it back in the correct place. Now let's take a look at the status on the right-hand side. And this is where we'll keep track of progress of each task. And as Natasha goes down the list, all she needs to do is change it to done, as you can see. But let's unselect a few of these, as Natasha is still in the process of checking all of Carol's work. The other thing that you can do is if you do have templates set up in any of your other QuickBooks Online files, you can choose tasks from templates. So you're going to add in a task from the template of, say, Larry and Barry's landscaping. So that will import in the tasks to this particular file. The year-end tasks are a great way to keep track of and ensure all your accounts preparation process and keep everyone informed on the status of the job. Natasha will continue to follow through her checklist and toggle back to the year-end tasks screen as she completes her review, updating her process as she goes along. And the next one that we want to take a look at is documents.